Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about the ultimate guide 6 tips for writing professional emails. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Crafting professional emails is essential for effective communication in the workplace. Here are 6 tips to help you write clear and impactful emails. 1. Use a clear subject line. Start with a concise and informative subject line that summarizes the email's purpose. A clear subject line helps recipients prioritize their inbox and understand the content at a glance. 2. Begin with a professional greeting. Use a polite greeting to set the tone. Address the recipient by name using appropriate titles, e.g., Mr., Ms., Dr., when necessary, to convey respect and professionalism. 3. Be concise and direct. Keep your message brief and to the point. Use short paragraphs and bullet points to organize information, making it easier for the recipient to digest. 4. Maintain a professional tone. Choose your words carefully to maintain a professional tone. Avoid slang and overly casual language, and be mindful of your phrasing to prevent misunderstandings. 5. Proofread for errors. Always proofread your email for spelling and grammatical errors before sending. A well-written email reflects your attention to detail and professionalism. 6. Include a polite closing. Conclude your email with a polite closing, such as best regards or sincerely, followed by your name and contact information. This leaves a positive impression. Conclusion. By following these tips, you can enhance your email communication and convey professionalism in every message. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.